Ready to sell your property? In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to selling your house. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just curious about the process, this video will give you a clear, step-by-step overview to help you feel confident and in control throughout your property journey. Okay, let's get into it. Step 1. Find out how much your house is worth. You can do this by researching local house prices online, finding out what homes in your area recently sold for using the Land Registry website, asking an estate agent to value your home. Before you put your home on the market, you'll need to make sure you have all the right paperwork to give to a prospective buyer. This might include some or all of the things as shown on screen now. You can have your conveyancer help you gather this information and get you an EPC. You must order an EPC for potential buyers and tenants before you market your property to sell or rent. You can check if your property has a valid EPC at gov.uk. It's important to prepare proof of your identity and your address, as this will be needed by your estate agent, conveyancer, and mortgage lender. Now you're fully prepared for the sale of your home. This is where it starts to get real. You need to find an estate agent and either a solicitor or conveyancer. This is the stage where we handle the legal work involved in transferring the ownership of your home, which is also known as conveyancing. The following steps should all be managed by your conveyancer. Buyers can make offers verbally, over the phone or in person, or in writing. If you're using an estate agent to sell your home, buyers must make an offer through them. Your estate agent must inform you of any offers made. If you're selling your home privately, buyers can make offers directly to you, and negotiations may take place between you and the buyer. It's important to know that an offer is not legally binding in England and Wales until contracts are exchanged, which is sorted by your conveyancer. Once you've accepted an offer, it's time to get the legal stuff sorted. That's where your conveyancer comes in again. They'll draw up the contracts, handle the exchange, and get you to the best part, completion day. Sounds simple, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes. That's why picking the right conveyancer is key. Choosing Evolve Law keeps things smooth, stress-free, and moving forward, exactly how it should be. If this video helped you understand the process behind selling your home, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you'd like to find out next.